And this is what's in my spray booth right now. 72 Cutlass 455, 3-speed auto. Car runs pretty good. Man, it's way too dark for you guys to see anything in here right now. If you come over to this side, you can see some body work that I've had to do to a few little rust spots that the car had. That's my job. Replacing metal with plastic. And yes, the bottom 3-4 inches of that fender is completely made of Bondo. I've got a video on how I do that coming up soon. I use extruded aluminum behind the Bondo, basically very thin metal mesh to give it some structure. And I do a really good job grinding and priming the rust before I put Bondo on it, so it looks decent when it's done and it lasts a fairly long time. I give my customers a good guarantee too, tell them that the body work will last at least 2 years or I'll do it again for free. But yeah, this is where I work and where I make my money. There's my tools. Right on, guys.